Here's how to fix LDPlayer internet connection problems. First, confirm your PC actually has internet. If your main connection is down, LDPlayer will not work either. Restart your PC and router to clear any temporary network glitches. Next, check LDPlayer's network settings and make sure the network connection option is enabled. If you are using a VPN, it can sometimes block the emulator's connection. Disable it and try again. Your firewall might also be blocking LDPlayer, so go into Windows Firewall settings and allow it through. If it is still not working, try resetting your network settings entirely on Windows, which fixes deeper connection issues. You can also try changing your DNS to Google DNS or another reliable public DNS provider. Make sure you are running the latest version of LDPlayer, since older versions sometimes have network bugs that get patched in updates. If none of these steps work, a full reinstall will reset all network configurations and usually resolves the issue completely. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.